Hey, welcome back everyone. Wanted to do a quick unboxing slash first look at these new boots I got. These are the Alpinestar Belize Drystar. Yeah, Belize Drystar boots. I've had my eyes on these boots for a while, so let's go ahead and take a look at these. I actually got these boots through Amazon, and what I did was Amazon has like a little thing where if you sign up for their card, which I don't even plan to use, you get a $150 gift card. So I did that, and that took the load off a little bit on these boots because they're not cheap boots. I've had my eyes on them for a bit. Finally pulled the trigger on them though, and I think they are really the perfect dual sport boot, and really good looking too. So we're gonna go ahead and let's get this other one out here. And yeah, real simple. They also have a brown colorway too, which looks nice as well, but I opted for the black, and looks really good. So we're gonna try these on too. I got a size 11. I'm usually about a 10.5, 11, but I've had some other Alpinestars as well, and the 11 fits me good. So the other boots that I have by Alpinestar are the Tech 10s, which are more motocross oriented boot. I thought these would be perfect for a little bit more flexibility when I'm on the dual sport, just for when I'm riding locally and riding around town. But let's go ahead and try these on and see how they feel. They just have a pretty simple 2-strap boot right here, along with the Velcro. Another thing that I like and kind of don't like about the Tech 10 is the inner booty. I mean, it's comfortable when you have it on, but it's kind of a pain. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up my other camera and try these on real quick and give you guys a look at them. Alright, so let's go ahead and try these guys on and see how they feel on foot, because this is the cleanest they will ever be. Super comfy, still have your range of motion and everything, so I really do like that about them. So if I get enough interest on these, I will do a review. Let me know in the comments if anyone wants to see that. But as far as comfort goes, they're not even really broken in yet. They're obviously just out of the box, and they feel really good. Like, I was walking around in them, it feels really good, a lot better than a full calf boot. I'll go ahead and say that right now. So I guess the only test will be how they hold up. So let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see a review in a few months, because I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of these. But super hyped on this boot. So that's going to be it for this video. I will provide a link in the description for both the black version and the brown version of this boot. But be sure to drop a like if you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.